Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to prune cucumbers. So today we're looking at pruning the cucumbers, and as you can see they're growing really crazy, which is good. So we need to tell you how to prune a cucumber, and they're very much similar to the tomato. Each plant has its main stem, a tendril, the sunleaf, the fruit, and then, like the tomato, a little sucker. And these, when small, can be just removed. And as you can see, here we go. There's the fruit, there's the sunleaf, there's the tendril, and there's the sucker. And some of these are quite small, some of these have been removed. There we go, look, the sunleaf, the fruit, tendril, main stem, sucker. So this can be done all the way down. Any leaves at the bottom can be removed that are touching the ground. So this one, you can see, we forgot to do. So this is the main stem. This is the fruit, which we've got a nice looking cucumber. There's no tendril on this one. This is the leaf. There's the leaf. This is the leaf here. That's the leaf. So this is the sucker. But as you can see, this one's grown so long. This one should have been removed. So we can give this one a snip. And this is removed. So now we've got the fruit, the sunleaf, and there's no tendril. So we just go all the way up the plant. Fruit, leaf, fruit, leaf. This one's got a small sucker hidden behind. Move that one. This one's got a small sucker behind. And we just go up the whole plant, doing the same until we get to the top. On these plants, we've twisted it round the twine. But you can also get hoops, and I'll show you the hoops. You can also use these little hooks. These are really cheap, about £1.50 for about 1,000 on Amazon. And they just clip, get your twine. The twine goes, where are we? In between the little clip here. Which catches it. And then the plant goes into the ring and snap. And now we have our ring. So that's a good way to attach them to the cane or to the strings. So we shall continue this all throughout the year and get them all sorted.